How to draw a watermelon, step by step. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, I hope you're all doing well today. So to begin, we're going to start off by making one big upside down V-like shape. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up so that other people on YouTube can also draw our watermelon. Great job! Next, let's go ahead and connect these two lines with one curved line underneath. Awesome! Now right above that curved line that we just made, we're going to add in two more curved lines. This portion will be colored in green later on in the video. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that I can keep you up to date on the latest content. Now last but not least, we're going to add in watermelon seeds. We're going to add in a total of 6 seeds, but you can add in more or less if you would like to, and you could scatter them out in any cool, funky way. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video so that we can color our drawing together. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw a watermelon. Now stick around so that we can color our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.